This is Jewish Wedding by Frank Meisler in the old city of Yafo. Let's see it and see what's inside. Got to open it. Everything is very intricate. This is the rabbi holding the cup. This is the girl, the boy, the crying parents, the child, the Megillah, the contract. And if you do it like this, here we have a Megillah. I have a bird on top. It's beautiful. Come and see it, Frank Meisler. This is his art. That's also his art.
It's almost like they want you to break it to be different. No.
This is Clinton, Hussein, Rabin.
Oh, that's Van Gogh. Look, Ricky, this is Van Gogh.
King David,
You see? Van Gogh.
Van Gogh. Okay, time to go.